Right, so your VI plate on this particular trailer sits you at the back, demonstrates what your load capacity is, 8 tonne on each axle, giving you a 24 tonne maximum payload. Checking your door stables are there. Tail end of your trailer, reflector panels, strips if you've got them, present and correct, visible, not damaged. Lenses are okay. Check your doors are shut properly. The bottom and the top, the locking levers are in place. Ladder, if you've got one, make sure that's not going to come out. Same again along the near side, checking your panelling, checking your reflectors, your markers, your mud guards, tread depth, walls of the tyres, wheel nuts, suspension, spray suppression, everything's clean, no damage throughout, roadworthy. Again, it's not a full MOT. The bars aren't loose. All the reflectors, finally at the front of your trailer. Make sure all your couplings are free, they're not locked, not damaged. You can also check that the kingpin hasn't got a lock on it as well if the trailer's been left on the road. So now we're ready to present the unit up to your trailer. We check the height and alignment.
So at this point, you'll drive the tractor unit forwards, line it up with the trailer, reasonably close to the front of the trailer. Stop, get out, check for the alignment, check for the height. This is important to make sure that you do the height check, because if you're going around with a trailer at normal ride height, it may be higher than the front of the trailer, at which point the skids may hit the front of the trailer and damage the fridge if it was a fridge trailer. So it's come in line just in front of the trailer with the fifth wheel. We'll get out, we'll check the fifth wheel height. There's nothing
right, once you've lined it up, get out and inspect the height. Ensure that the trailer isn't going to skip the fifth wheel plate to hit the unit. That the trailer, you can get the unit underneath it satisfactorily. Alignment, reasonably in line, it's enough, we can adjust it on the way in. So if you're happy with that, continue. If you're not happy with it, pull forward, realign it as many times as you need to do to get it right. So I'm happy with that, I'm going to proceed. Next thing to do, I want to get the fifth wheel plate underneath the front of the trailer and lift it up to get the feet off the floor.
So if you're using a 6-wheel unit, look at the front of the trailer is covering over the front of the trailer, covering over the middle axle.
So now we can see the fifth wheel plate is in between the front of the trailer and the kingpin itself. Anywhere under here is satisfactory. So now I need to lift that fifth wheel to contact the trailer, lift the feet off the floor. 3 reasons we're doing this. 1, if the trailer isn't in alignment, that's going to align it without bending the legs into the floor. 2, when you do your tug test, it's not going to bend the legs into the floor. 3, it makes it easier to wind the legs up. Now I'm going to switch ignition on, putting power to the air ride. Once again, we're back on this system. Switch it on, up. So I'm observing those trailer legs, getting the feet off the floor, about 50mm, 2 inches. There we go. So now restow that in the cradle.
Reverse under the trailer. listen, click, hear that very clearly. Two tucks forward. You must make sure you do the two tucks forward to ensure that the fifth wheel is completely engaged with the kingpin.
Right, so now we're happy that's connected satisfactorily. We're going to put it all back together in reverse order. Again, using the blank acronym. So K stands for the kingpin. You've got to put the dog clip back in. Find it. There's the dog clip. Reinsert it to where you got it from. Number plate. Reapply it. Airlines. Okay, I'm standing this side just for demonstration purposes. So we'll start with this one first. Emergency line. Hold the collar open. Put it on the nose of the line. Push up with your legs. That should self-close. Twist it to make so it won't undo itself. Service line. Opposite procedure. Find the pin. Hold it open. Put the hose in. Push up. Twist lock. Electric lines, doesn't matter which order you do them in, as long as you put them in the right place. So we'll go with that one first. Double check, female, male, in you go. ABS, check that slides in comfortably. Line the clip up if you have to, lock it in. Right, so now we're going to climb down. Go around. Legs, line the legs up. So remove the handle. Pull it out to engage the gear, wind it up. All the way to the top. If you want, you can go back half a turn. Makes it easier to undo. Just stow the handle. Last thing, release the parking brake of the trailer. Now we've done a physical check, we need to do the electrical check. Very, very important. Best way to do that is a key fob. Most modern vehicles have got this system. If they haven't, you've got to do it the old way. Put all the lights on yourself, have a walk round check, and ask someone to check your brake lights for you. But with this particular one, hold the button in until the lights of the trailer come on. Checks the brakes for you as well. Checking your two marker lights at the top and at the bottom. Marker lights along the sides.
What's the hissing noise as it goes through the system?
Just checking the brakes as well. So we're looking for any air leaks. Marker lights at the top. Number plate light, tailboard, checking the marker lights on the near side as well. Once you're happy with that, you can either let it run its system for about a minute or turn the lights off yourself so you don't lose all the air. And that's the end of the exercise.